This is Terrence Andre Banks with Information Age Financial Solutions, coming today talking about cryptocurrencies, and actually an interesting article I found from CNBC. Again, I usually don't like to go to CNBC but today this article seems to stand out. CNBC, the reason why I don't like to go to it because they usually tend to be on one side of the views here, but sometimes they do present an opposite side depending on the guest, and I've done a couple videos on this, so they've actually been showing different variations lately. So I'm looking at it more and more. The title stepped out to me alone. Cryptocurrencies are up, and most of the major ones at least, but just something to be mindful of, especially when I was looking at, just taking positions and with all the scams that's going on out there. So always looking for interesting articles, especially for the information age. And this article stuck out to me and gave me something to definitely take a look at. And I'm going to dive right into it. Cryptocurrencies could drop to near zero at any time, Ethereum founder warns. Now, I've done a video on Ethereum before. I think it's one of the better of the platforms because it provides that smart contract. But just when you see headlines like this, it's just something to pay attention to. And I know that usually with any article or any kind of news, they try to, provide just an excitement factor. So let me just dive into it. And again, they're quoting something from Ryan Brown, who seems to be the creator of, I guess he published this about 10 hours ago. If you're trying to figure out where to store your life savings, traditional assets are still your safest bet, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin said. Now, sorry, I was quoting Brian Brown here. Brian Brown's published the article. He's the one who did. Buterin is one of many popular figures who have been impersonated on Twitter by scammers promoting questionable cryptocurrency offers. The Ethereum co-founder warned users not to trust people offering cryptocurrency on Twitter. Well, with the advent of all the different cryptocurrencies coming on board, and it's a platform to make money if you're trading them, you got to be very careful with the scammers. But just even the interesting point is that the founder of this was going back to traditional assets. So if cryptocurrencies is definitely one to have in your portfolio, I do have them, but I also recommend you keep silver and gold just as a backup. Cryptocurrencies are a nascent asset class and could fall violently at any time, the founder of blockchain network Ethereum warned on Saturday. Reminder, cryptocurrencies are still a new and hyper-volatile asset class and could drop to near zero at any time. This is again a quote from Vitalik Buterin said on Twitter. Don't put in more money than you can afford to lose. Very good point. A lot of people lost a lot. And because of this new form of doing things, and I'm a proponent of it, believe in it. It's just always something to be careful about when you're putting all your eggs in one basket. Cryptocurrencies have recovered slightly from a severe sell-off, which saw the market lose as much as $100 billion in market value in a single day. Bitcoin recovered to a price above $10,000 last week after falling as low as $5,947.40 the week before. In December, the Ethereum creator compared wild investment in the cryptocurrency market to the record sum paid for the world's most expensive painting, Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi. Usually when phenomena are going on like this is because people are trying to find a place to store their value and to get a return on their value because they're knowing that there's nothing else giving, just another platform that gives you actually a safe return. And people want to see some action. If you're punished to save, like what we have in savings accounts where there's no incentive to do that. Or if you're doing the stock market, and again, stock market's been on its run, had its pullback, and now it's back on the run again. You're looking for different places that you can feel that you can have a little bit more control in it. And cryptocurrencies is definitely one of them. Ethereum is a blockchain network. Blockchain is a technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. It maintains a continuously growing record of cryptocurrency transactions across a decentralized network. The digital token of the Ethereum network is called Ether, but is often referred to as Ethereum. Now, he's just giving a little background. Twitter crypto scammers. Buterin is one of many popular figures who have been impersonated on Twitter by scammers promoting questionable cryptocurrency offers. These accounts often ask users to send an amount of cryptocurrency in exchange for a large amount. The Ethereum co-founder warns users not to trust people offering cryptocurrency on Twitter. Don't trust anyone asking for offer money on Twitter. Don't trust anyone offering money on Twitter. Don't trust anyone asking for or offering money on Twitter. He gave 3 times his different name, and this was done in February 18. Other high-profile figures, including Tesla CEO Elon Musk and even the chairman of the Community Futures Trading Commission, J. Christopher Giancarlo, have been impersonated on Twitter by such scammers. Because we live in an information age, we need to be much more mindful. Definitely don't look into scams. If you're going to buy into the cryptocurrencies in any form or fashion, please do your research. I don't want this to get a bad rap. I'm just saying that have a balance here. Don't put everything in all your eggs in one basket, as they would say. And if you get a chance, just take a look at the article itself, do some research on the Ethereum co-founder. He's warning against this, and have some silver and gold as well as a backup for you as well, the traditional assets. So until my next video, I'm out.